Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your Hotmail password if, you've forgotten it or can't log in. This is the full 2026 guide. So yeah, let's dive right in. First, go to the Microsoft password recovery page. You can just type Microsoft password reset in your browser and it'll be the top result. Next, enter your Hotmail email address in the box. Make sure it's the one you're trying to recover, then click Next. Now, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. You might see options like receiving a code via text, email, or using an authenticator app. Choose the one that works for you. Yeah, pick carefully. Once you get your verification code, type it into the box and click Next. Make sure you enter it exactly as received or it won't work. Finally, create a new password. Try something secure, maybe a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then click Next or Submit, and your password will be updated. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Hotmail password. Don't forget to, you know, keep it somewhere safe or use a password manager so this doesn't happen again.